In AutoTRAX, there are many ways to create parts. In this video, I am going to show you how to quickly create a part using the Parametric Parts dialog. So, let's get started. Here I have AutoTRAX displaying a new project. To create a new parametric part, I first make sure that the Home ribbon tab is visible. Next, I click on the Parametric Part button located in the New Ribbon Buttons group. The Create a New Part dialog is now shown. Displayed in the central region, you can see a collection of electronic part symbols. I am going to create a part for a simple operational amplifier, the LM321 single-channel operational amplifier. The LM321 is a general-purpose, single-channel op-amp with internal compensation and a true differential input stage. This op-amp features a wide supply voltage ranging from 3 volts to 32 volts for single supplies and plus or minus 1.5 to plus or minus 16 volts for split supplies, suiting a variety of applications. The first thing I must do is find the datasheet for the part. The datasheet for the LM321 can be found using Google. I have previously downloaded the datasheet to speed things up. So, to open the datasheet, I select the Datasheet tab. Then, clicking on the Add PDF button, I am now presented with the Embed a PDF file dialog. PDF file name and enter the name for the PDF sheet, which is in this case Datasheet. Clicking Add will open the datasheet in this tab. The datasheet will not be added at this point to the parts file. As I also want to keep the datasheet inside the part file, I check the Add to Design checkbox at the top right. Scrolling down the datasheet, I see that the physical package for the amplifier is a SOT23.5. I now with Return to the Part tab, and I scroll down the collection of parametric parts and click on the SOT23.5 part. This automatically creates a footprint, a symbol, and automatically generates the 3D model for the device. However, the symbol does not have any names associated with each of the symbol terminals. I will now show you how to quickly assign names to the symbol terminals by clicking on the symbol terminal names in the datasheet. Returning to the Datasheet tab, I scroll down so the pin connection diagram is visible. This shows all the symbol terminal names. On the left side of the dialog, you will see two types. The first one is the Symbol tab and the second one is the Footprint tab. Selecting the Symbol tab displays a grid of the symbol terminals. I can quickly capture the symbol terminal names from the datasheet by first clicking on the Capture button. I will then receive audio prompts asking me to select the terminal names. I this by clicking on a single word or holding down the left mouse button and dragging the mouse over a collection of words and then releasing the left mouse button.
Start of capture, select pin 1. Select pin 2. Select pin 3. Select pin 4. Now finally select pin 5. End of capture.
Now that all the symbol names have been assigned, I finish off the design by setting the part type, in the part type input area at the top left, to LM321. Clicking on the Create button at the bottom of the dialog will now create the part and open it up for you to complete any more edits. The part that I just created has a single symbol sheet. It also has a footprint sheet. There is also a 3D view that displays the 3D model of the part, which has been automatically created using the parametric parts parameters. This obviously explains why the part is called a parametric part. Last, but not least, you can see the Datasheet tab, showing that the datasheet that is now embedded in the part. This completes the creation of the part, so all I need to do is to save the part. Using the Library panel, I first select the directory where I want to save the part, and then right-click, and click on the Save Part Location My Parts menu item. That completes the creation of the part. I will now quickly show you how I can use the part by opening a new project. I can then drag the newly created part from the past library panel onto the schematic. This video has demonstrated the process of quickly creating a parametric part. I strongly recommend you practice creating several parts, especially embedding datasheets, and setting the symbol terminal names using the capture feature. There are many options available, and you will benefit by exploring all and learning what's available. Practice makes perfect and will make you more productive using AutoTRAX. It will also make the process of creating parts less painful and make it fun. Remember that the quality of your design strongly depends on the parts you use, and the adage, garbage in, garbage out could not be more appropriate. So time spent perfecting your parts is time well spent. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope it has been of use and makes you more productive.